everyone, this is Oscar Chen from China Daily. I'm now at the Mobile Electronics Show of the Global Sources, and I'm now joined by King from the Phililog company based in China. So, hello King, can you tell us about your company?
我们主要是做指纹锁类所有的系列产品的，最主要是创意产品。
We mainly produce the innovative fingerprint products.
Okay, I got it. So I know that this fingerprint products. How does it use, and what is the specialty of these products?
最主要是我们通过指纹来识别，所有的开锁这一个系列。现在除了门锁上的指纹系列没有做，其他的所有包包、箱包、首饰盒、挂锁类的所有都在做指纹系列的产品。
Our fingerprint products has covered all the range, include backpack, jewelry box, except the door.
Okay, got it. So you are covering various products, and I wonder how much does it actually cost, and where can audience buy it?
现在大概的是100多块钱到200块钱左右，是现在的价格。现在在环球资源、中国制造、阿里巴巴、京东、eBay、Amazon 都在买得到。
Our price range is from 20 to 40 USD dollar, and they are very popular by the customer from Amazon, from eBay, from something like this website, online and offline. Thank you.
Okay, got it. So it's a fingerprint lock that you can buy online. So thank you very much for watching this episode. More videos will be uploaded to YouTube and also ChinaDailyAsia.com in the future. Stay tuned.